revolution will not be televised. The revolution is now.
Yeah, niggas go on the DVD and show you a gun, and show you a fucking everything to think of the street. I want to show you this, right? I want to show you some money, right? Because that's what it's about for real.
No.
Let's get the paper, man.
Guap, man.
Let's get the paper, man. You see what I'm saying? This is my welcome money. I'm playing with this, nigga.
Man.
You see what I'm saying? And then, nothing fancy, nothing fancy.
Real
You know what
talk.
I'm saying? It's a little something.
Just the basics.
Ain't name one nigga around me that ain't break $1 million. You can't name a nigga that didn't make $1 million. Fuck him.
All the time. My nigga Buck eating, man.
Yeah. Well, come on,
That's
that
my
nigga's
broke
rich.
bro, man.
That nigga spent $1 million on cars.
Yeah.
My house is appraised at $20.5 million right now. I wake up in the house, and every day, you wonder why I still hustle like I'm hungry? Because the man who owned it before me earned $500 million in his career and couldn't afford to keep it when I bought it. That's a lesson in itself, man. I'ma holler at y'all niggas, man. Y'all niggas stay up out there in the Bay, man.
Hey, you heard it live, man. Much love, man.
Keep the niggas hustling.
Yeah. Stay hustling, man.
I'm in my Lambo maggot with my 4-4 faggot. Doors lift up, I'm like, go, gadget. See the shit I got on. Homie, I hate you. My Teflon on, boy, my government issue. I hit your vertebrae, bullets rip.